Procasedesigns, Etsy.com. Faith, Hope, and Love pendants. And a thank you. Okay, I've mixed up equal parts A and B. Counterculture, medium viscosity, artist resin. I got some new Kintsugi molds from Procase. The link will be below the video. Kintsugi is a Japanese custom of mending broken pieces of pottery, and so there's significant meaning in that. I'm going to mix a little bit. I'm going to try, this is from Laura's Art Corner. It's Lorez Turquoise Blue Pearlescent Pigment Powder. A little on a stick there. This is about 1.5 ounces to 2 ounces right here. According to my measurements, these molds take 2 ounces or so of resin. So I've got 8-ish. I'm going to add just a little bit more. Then the rest, I'm going to add Laura's Art Corner Nighttime Blue. This is a softer blue. I'll put a pretty good amount into this cup. So it's a little transparent. I'm going to add a little bit more. I'm going to put some aquamarine dispersion color from Counterculture. It's always best to start small and then add more than to overdo it. I'm going to put some Baja Blue into this. This will be the bottom side because the top side is what's important on these. I'm just going to add a little bit of clear right in the middle, just to kind of fill the blisters up. I'm going to cover this up and be back when it's cured. Here's the Kintsugi coasters. So they have the little cracks where the gold will go, and then I'll have the gold edges. The color is really pretty. So let me read to you what Kintsugi means. Kintsugi is the Japanese art of putting broken pottery pieces back together with gold, built on the idea that in embracing flaws and imperfections, you can create an even stronger, more beautiful piece of art. Every break is unique, and instead of repairing an item, the 400-year-old technique actually highlights the scars as part of the design. Using this as a metaphor for healing ourselves teaches us an important lesson. Sometimes in the process of repairing things that have broken, we actually create something more unique, beautiful, and resilient. How beautiful is that? I love these coasters, and a shout out to Procasedesigns for the molds. They're beautiful, and I will be making many sets of these. I just love the symbolism of it and the simplicity of it as well. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks. Bye-bye.